everybody, and today I was really feeling like taking this crumpled up old pair of jeggings out of my closet and finding a better way to wear them. So I'm gonna do a couple things. Firstly, I'm definitely gonna iron this. That's probably gonna be step number one. And then I was thinking of actually embroidering some stuff onto the back pockets. Right now they're just very plain light jeans. I don't actually enjoy wearing light jeans all too much. I do prefer dark jeans. But I thought it might be kind of fun just to add a little design onto the pockets just to jazz them up and maybe encourage me to start wearing this piece of clothing a little bit more. So let's see what happens. And now we're going to do the French knots. I've done 2 of them right here. What you're going to do is you're going to poke up through whatever area it is that you want to make this French knot. Oops. Once that's done, you're going to wrap it around twice around your needle. And push through all the way till you have your knot. It's important to note, once you take the hoop off, your stitches are going to get looser. That's okay. The reason that we put this in is so that it's stretched out, not only so it's easier to poke things through, but also so that when it's stretched out around your body on the stretchy fabric, that it's going to come out and be the appropriate shape you need it to once it stretches.